In the world, there is a lot of buzz and knowledge about animal conservation and why it's so important to protect these animals and their habitats. But what's underfunded and underspoken about is plant conservation to support the biodiversity of many important regions around the world. The Red List Project is a nonprofit organization that was founded in 2018. All of the plants that the Red List Project works with are on the IUCN Red List, which is the International Authority for the Endangerment of Plants and Animals. The partnership that we are embarking on today is the Pacific Cycad. These plants have been around since the dinosaurs have roamed the earth. They are Jurassic plants, or otherwise known as living fossils, that are now endangered just in the past few decades due to an invasive insect species that is attacking these plants. And why this matters to us is because in Guam, the Pacific Cycad is so important to the natural habitat that with it being endangered, it's causing a true imbalance.
Before smelling it, when you see the cones here, you can imagine something dry, more woody, but when you open you cut some pieces inside, you have like a soup, like a marmalade, which brings something very, very, very fruity, almost mango or exotic fruits, which is quite interesting in our perfumery world.
The fact that I'm able to smell it today and to really enjoy this fruity part, because when you see a cone like that, I would never expect that it smells fruity. I would expect like something very woody, but this Pacific Cycad has something very special. For me, it smells like tutti-frutti, but also like peach jam. It has something very, very peachy, a little bit green.
We have another challenge. This is to extract part of this Cycad and analyze this Cycad to reconstitute the smell of the Cycad. For us perfumers, it's very important for us to have a new ingredient. We use essential oils, we use absolute, we use supercritical extract, and also enfleurage products. This is another way with this Cycad, because here we protect the nature.
Smelling those kind of ingredients make the perfumer dream. When I smell the Pacific Cycad, which is very special, I have a lot of ideas which can be explored in several categories.
What's special about this partnership is that no plants will ever be physically harvested from the wild, but instead we will recreate the essence of this plant using our proprietary extraction method and sustainable materials on our palette to recreate that absolute quintessence and use it in customer-specific fragrances. Proceeds from the sales of those fragrances will go back to actually conserving these plants with the ultimate goal of reintroducing the Pacific Cycad back into its natural habitat.